Here I have TCL 405, and today I'm going to show you how to set this device up. So to do this, firstly you have to select preferred language. I'll just stay with English, tap start. Then you can connect to the mobile network by inserting SIM card, but if you don't have it on, you can just skip this step for now and do this later. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but if there's no open Wi-Fi network around, you can just set up device offline and do this later. Then you have to set up date and time. Then you have Google services. I suggest you to disable them and tap accept. Then you can set up face unlock, but you can also just skip this step for now and do this later in settings, or just don't do this at all. Then you can set up PIN unlock, but you can also skip this step and just do it later or just don't do it at all. Then you select home screen style, home and drawer screen, or just home only. I suggest you to use drawer. I think it's more intuitive or something like that. Helps you to keep your device in order. And setup complete, your phone is set up and ready to use. And that's it. Okay, so you should actually accept terms and privacy. Then tap skip. And now it's ready for sure. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.